Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change notification ringtone on Samsung Galaxy F15. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, notification sound. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type notification sound. While you're typing, you might see other unrelated suggestions pop up, like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth settings, but just ignore those. You're looking specifically for the option labeled notification sound, or sometimes notification sounds, depending on your software version. Step 4. From the search results, tap on the option that says notification sound. Once you're inside, you'll need to tap the option again to confirm that you want to enter the notification sound settings. Step 5. For the last and most important step, under the section, scroll through the list of sounds and tap on any of them to preview. When you find one you like, tap on it to select and set it as your new notification tone. Samsung phones often come with a variety of built-in tones, and some models even let you add your own custom sound by tapping Add or selecting a file from your storage. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.